How to become a Temu seller. Start by going to Temu's official website. Look for the option to create a seller account or sign up. Click on it. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. This may include your name, contact details, and business information. Temu may offer different plans for sellers, so choose the one that suits your needs and budget. Once your account is set up, you can start listing your products for sale. Provide all the necessary details, including descriptions, prices, and images. You'll need to set up your payment method so that you can receive payments from customers. Make sure to adhere to Temu's seller guidelines and policies to ensure a smooth selling experience. With your products listed and your account set up, you're ready to start selling on Temu. Keep an eye on your listings, respond to customer inquiries, and manage your orders. As you gain experience and positive feedback, consider expanding your product range and marketing your products to reach a broader audience. Keep up to date with Temu's seller updates and any changes in their policies to stay compliant and successful. By following these steps, you can become a Temu seller.